typing in two languages becomes effortless with the right setup. In this video, we will explain setting up a dual language keyboard in Windows. If you write in more than one language, having both keyboard layouts ready saves constant frustration. Open Settings and go to Time and Language, then Language and Region. Click Add a Language and select the second language you need. Windows downloads the language pack and its keyboard layout. Once added, you will have two or more languages installed at once. To switch between them while typing, the quickest way is to press the Windows key plus the space bar, which cycles through your installed languages instantly. You can also click the language indicator that appears in your taskbar near the clock and choose the layout you want. Each language uses its own keyboard arrangement, so special characters and accents appear correctly. You can add multiple layouts for a single language too, if you prefer a particular arrangement. In the typing settings, you can fine-tune autocorrect for each language. Setting up a dual language keyboard means you no longer have to copy and paste special characters or struggle with the wrong layout. Switch smoothly between languages and type naturally in each one.